I just joined to one of Georgia's classes, workshops, and I feel so grateful and happy to have done it. Because the way that he brought people together, the way that you felt the energy and the connection between all of us, it was just undescribable. Some people were saying that they were very shy and they were opening up. I felt myself that I just was feeling so safe, so connected. The guidance at the beginning was a way that we could follow ourselves and let ourselves be guided a little bit. But at some point we just let go of that and just let us be there. And that was such an amazing experience. I'm just so grateful, so happy, and I'm pretty sure that people will join him will be people that will be called for it and will be very, very happy to have joined it. Very, very grateful. Sending a lot of love. Thank you. Namaste.